right, my friends, so we are going to be talking the Run with Solar app. So to the right of my screen, you see it says Run with Solar right there. We're going to click this open. Here's the app. Now, if you do not have the app yet, no worries. If you just go to your app store and you search for Run with Solar, all one word, it will pop up. You can download it. You're good to go. And then log in with the same username and password that you use for your system. So the best way to really understand the app is spend some time in it, download it, check it out, and then of course, watch this video in full. So the main functions of the app, especially as it relates to you as a solar consultant, is every time a lead comes in through one of your capture pages, you're gonna get an alert actually through your app. So that's really cool. That's why you wanna have it downloaded and logged into on your phone. You can view leads from website by clicking, you can't see where I'm clicking, but right in the center to the right, it says view leads from website right there. This button that I'm kind of showing, click. That's where you see that. Where it says contacts and leads, this is actually people you send information to through your app. So these are not site leads. These are people that you send info to through your app directly. In other words, a friend, a family member, a neighbor, someone that you meet that you know they want some information on solar. You can send information through this app by, if you look in the center of my screen, it says send a custom link, this right here. If you click this open, you actually see a bunch of information in here you can send to someone. You can select them, from your contacts here. This is pretty self-explanatory. You can select your contact and then you can pick to send them whatever information you want. So maybe you were talking to someone and they were interested in learning how much solar could save them. So let's click back real quick. I'm going to start it from scratch. Say you were talking to someone, they were interested in that. You can click here. You can grab your prospect. You can click over here to V3 Solar Savings Calculator. Click this button. The app would ask you how you wanted to send it. You can click on text message or SMS, and then you can go ahead and actually send this link to your prospect, which will give them the solar savings calculator funnel. And when they get the text, which we're going to see a text come through here in just a minute, right here, what'll happen is when your prospect clicks this open, you're going to get an alert. So you see it says new click activity and it shows you what your prospect just opened. You then can track when they opt in, et cetera, et cetera. So it's pretty cool. Let me go back to the actual app itself. Another big feature I wanted to show you really quickly, let me just close this out and open it, is in the app you have the ability to strike up conversation with people. So right here to the left, center left, it says send message to a prospect. If you're ever bored, get in the habit of reaching out to people and getting them interested in solar. The way you can do this is by using this little feature here where you can access the scripts that we've actually put into your app. And at the time you're watching this video, we might have some new scripts in here. But you can go ahead and get conversations going with people. So say you wanted to reach out to your buddy Bill, right? And Bill's someone that you haven't talked to in a little while, and you want to go ahead and get them interested in solar. Well, you can select Bill as your contact. We're just selecting prospect. Just pretend prospect is Bill. And you can utilize these scripts. So if you click on the little blue icon next to the script, like right here, it says, hey, first name. So if we sent this to Bill, it would say, hi, Bill. We are running an electric utility promotion in the local area. For 60 seconds of your time answering some quick survey questions, you'll be entered to get your bill paid for. Do you want in? So we can go ahead and pick like this script to send to Bill. We can also send this message to Bill. Hey, Bill, quick question. Do you have electric or natural gas propane heat in your house? I'm doing some market research in the local area. Let me know. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. And you can send this script to Bill. The whole idea here, though, guys, is for you to be able to send a message to someone maybe you haven't talked to in a little while to get the conversation open about solar. So we click this button. The app's going to ask you, how do you want to send it? Let's click send text message or SMS. And you can then send this script to Bill. You can edit it however you'd like, edit it here, and you can send it over. The idea is if you prospect or send a couple text messages a day and you have your team do the same, imagine the amount of conversations you're going to get going about solar, and you can utilize this app to get those conversations started and track everything all inside of here. So the biggest thing is play around with this app. You can obviously click on recent activity. You can see people that have interacted with your stuff. The app does a whole bunch of stuff. Really, all you have to do is spend some time exploring it. So with that being said, go check it out, download this app, get your lead alerts, and